One of the most satisfying tasks in the garden is pruning, especially when you see the before and afters of what it does to your plants and their overall health. And now is the perfect time to be pruning your roses and other perennials in your garden to set them up for the year ahead. For roses, an annual prune at the end of autumn or the start of winter is essential, not only for maintaining their shape and vigor, but also to promote better blooms later in the year. You can use these, but you might be at it all day. Instead, get yourself a pair of these. This is the STIHL ASA 20 Battery Secateurs, and they give you nice, clean, precise cuts every time. And best of all, because of the design, they're lightweight, so you can do several plants in no time. When pruning your roses, it's okay to prune them hard. You want to focus on cutting away dead or diseased wood first. This prevents any disease from spreading and allows healthy new growth to take its place. The key is to always make your cuts just above the bud, as fresh, strong shoots will grow from this point. And if you're working on a plant with various growth like this one, where you've got some thinner branches and thicker ones, you can actually hold in the trigger for 3 seconds and you'll hear a beep. And that means it'll open it up to a larger setting, so it means you can get these bigger branches easily. These pruners make light work of thicker stems, up to 25mm, ensuring a clean cut. They are also perfect for removing thinner, spindly branches that don't contribute to the overall shape of the rose, helping to maintain a more structured and healthy plant while keeping things nice and tidy. What I love about these secateurs is how long-lasting the battery is. In a single charge, you can get up to 2,000 cuts, so that's huge. And it's all thanks to this here, which is the AS battery system. So it means you can do plenty of pruning and not have to stop and start. And here is a quick tip when pruning your roses in particular. Always clean your secateurs between different plants to avoid spreading diseases if you have trimmed off any damaged wood. This little step can make a huge difference in maintaining a healthy garden. Pruning your roses and other shrubs now will do wonders for them. It will help keep them strong and help them to perform better in the year, and having the right set of secateurs will certainly help. That way you can spend less time having to maintain your garden and you can spend more time enjoying it. To discover more great garden tools, head to your local STIHL dealership or head on over to their website.